Today we'll explore 9 invaluable Procreate hacks that can significantly enhance your workflow. Whether you're a Procreate novice or a seasoned pro, these tips are bound to improve your digital art creation. So here's a quick and easy way to toggle between a paintbrush and an eraser by simply tapping on your Apple Pencil. This is super useful in the sketching stage of your artwork. To set this up, go to Actions, Help, then Advanced Settings. Locate the Apple Pencil on the left side of your screen. Tap Switch between Current Tool and Eraser to turn it on. Then return to Procreate. If you want a custom shortcut for any feature in Procreate, the quick menu is your go-to tool. To enable it, follow these steps. Go to Actions, then Preferences, then Gesture Controls. Click on the quick menu to access its settings. You can customize how it's evoked. For example, I've chosen Finger Touch to invoke the quick menu. Once enabled, a simple finger touch on the canvas will bring up the quick menu. You can rename your quick menu for easy identification. With each profile, you can long press and assign any Procreate feature to these 6 quick menu buttons. Choose actions that align with your workflow. With your profile set up this way, you'll have quick access to your favorite tools, allowing you to spend more time on the canvas, making your creative process even more efficient. Do you want to keep your favorite brush sizes at your fingertips? Brush size memory is a real time saver, especially when you need specific line weights in your artwork. So to begin, choose the brush you want to work with. I'm going to use the monoline brush. Adjust the brush size to your desired value. Tap the brush slider, then tap the plus symbol to create a size mark. Procreate allows you to set up to 4 marks for each brush size, opacity, paint smudge, and erase. Now to access your save sizes, simply tap or slide to the desired size mark when you need it. And if you want to remove a mark, just tap the minus symbol. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully saved your favorite brush sizes in Procreate, making your digital art workflow smoother and more efficient. Procreate is a fantastic way to add depth, shadows, and highlights to your artwork. Here's how I like to do it. Start by taking a photo of the texture you like. For example, I've taken a photo of my carpet. In the airbrushing brush set, swipe right on the soft brush to reveal its settings and then duplicate it. Tap on the duplicated brush to enter the brush studio. Within the brush studio, go to the grain section and import your texture photo. To create your texture, tap Auto Repeat and then Done. This will transform your photo into a repeatable texture pattern. Set the grain behavior to texturized and adjust the scale until it's just right for your artwork. Head to About This Brush to give your custom brush a name, like Carpet Brush. This will help you easily identify it later. Once you've named your brush, tap Done to save it. Now you're all set. You can use your new carpet brush to add textured highlights and shadows to your artwork. Experiment with the blending modes to seamlessly integrate the texture into your creations. Removing the background from scanned line work is a handy trick. Here's how to do it. Tap the layer containing your line work, then tap on Copy. Create a new empty layer and fill it with black. This will serve as your finished line work layer. Tap the black layer and select Mask to create a layer mask. Ensure that the layer mask is selected, then paste your copied artwork into it. Tap the layer mask and choose Invert. Pinch the layer mask and line work layers together to apply the mask. Now you have clean line work with a transparent background, allowing you to paint or work behind it as needed. Drawing perfect lines and shapes is easy with the Quick Shape tool. Start by drawing a line, but keep the pencil on the screen. You'll notice it snapping into a perfect straight line. Now tap your other finger to align it horizontally, and then you could adjust the angle by dragging the pencil up or down. Next, let's try a perfect circle. To draw a circle, begin by drawing the shape, but don't lift the pencil from the screen. Drag the pencil to adjust the size you desire. Now use your other finger to tap the screen and Procreate will convert it into a perfect circle. To draw precise shapes like squares or rectangles, start by sketching a shape. Access the Quick Shape menu and select either quadrilateral, rectangle, square or polyline to achieve the perfect shape. Fine-tune your shape by clicking and adjusting the blue transform nodes as needed. Once you're done and satisfied with your quick shape, tap anywhere on the screen to commit to it. With the Quick Shape tool, you can create precise and perfectly aligned shapes, streamlining your digital artwork creation process. Creating a digital sketchbook in Procreate is a simple and convenient way to keep all related sketches for a project in one document. Here are the steps to set up your sketchbook. Start by setting up your sketchbook with a screen size canvas. Enable Page Assist by going to Actions and then Canvas. Toggle Page Assist on. You can easily move between pages and add new ones along the bottom. Each page can be either an isolated single layer or a layer group. When navigating to a page that is a layer group and you try to draw it, it brings up the Layer Select feature. This is particularly useful if you prefer working in full screen mode, which you can toggle on and off with a 4-finger tap. The Quick menu is a powerful tool. You can set it up with options like Next Page and Previous Page for quick navigation between pages. Now, if you're not sure how to set it up, return to my second hack for all the steps. Now you've successfully created a digital sketchbook in Procreate. Have fun exploring and creating your digital art in your new sketchbook. The Reference Companion in Procreate is a valuable tool for artists to use reference images to enhance their creative process. Access it by tapping Actions and then Canvas and toggle on Reference. By default, the Reference Companion helps you to see the bigger picture while you work on your canvas. Use the Image button to import a reference image from the Photos app. Tap to hide or show the user interface for a clearer view. Use the top handle to move the reference image and drag the corners to scale it as needed. Pinch and drag your fingers to zoom in or out for a closer or broader view. Hold your finger to invoke the eyedropper tool, allowing you to select colors directly from your reference image. And then finally, to close the Reference Companion, just tap and then click the X icon to close. You can use the Clone tool to expand or reproduce elements in your artwork. Here's how. Locate the Clone tool under Adjustments at the bottom of your Procreate workspace. Drag the circular clone disc to define the area you want to replicate in your artwork. As you paint, your brush strokes will replicate the content within the clone disc. You can use any brush from the library to add texture and shape to your cloned area. For consistent replication, long hold the clone disc to lock it in place. This allows you to clone from the same area with each new stroke. By skillfully employing the Clone tool, you can now expand or reproduce elements in your artwork, enhancing your creative possibilities and making the most out of your existing work. Thanks so much for joining me for this Procreate tutorial. We've explored a multitude of powerful features and hacks to enhance your digital artistry. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful in boosting your creativity and productivity in Procreate. Remember, practice and experimentation are the keys to mastering any tool. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting Procreate tips and tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I'll be happy to help. Keep creating, keep innovating, and most importantly, have fun with your artistic journey. Until next time, happy creating!